I haven't seen much in the way of reviews for the new Nisi filter kit, which includes a adapter ring and UV filter along with a lens hood and cap. So I thought I would show it here. This is the original Fuji cap, and it fits very snugly over the UV filter. As you can see, there's plenty of space. You don't have to worry about the element. And the filter itself matches the body perfectly, at least the black version. Very smooth, like glossy, easy to put on, easy to rethread. And then it also comes with the lens hood and cap. And again, that just pushes on. My only thing is that if you put it on wrong, sometimes like adjusting it like that, you just have to do it extra, but looks really nice. This comes off, seems to fit pretty well. I've seen some poor reviews where it doesn't want to stay on. I could see that, but so far I haven't had any problems. And then I wanted to just compare it to the original piece that came on the camera, which also is like that really nice glossy material. They definitely feel very much the same. So it's nice that you're kind of still getting that really good OEM quality. But then I'd also ordered this Hoage adapter ring. And you can definitely see that compared to the Nisi, or I guess you can't really see, it's just a rougher material, not as glossy. Still fits it really well. I just like how smooth this system is. And even just like when unscrewing, oh, let's see, that one's the whole filter's coming off. This piece just doesn't feel or look, it's like more matte. Just doesn't seem to thread maybe as nicely. So I know it's got some pretty poor reviews. The Nisi filter does on Amazon right now. It's only like a 3.4, 3.6, but at least in my mind, I'd give it a 5-star right now in terms of overall offering, especially when you're looking at UV filters can, you know, be around 40 bucks a pop after tax. So now you're getting the lens hood and the cap for just that little bit more. So I'm willing to pay for it. There you go, the Nisi lens hood or filter kit. Cool, thanks.